I'm out in the garden to show how sometimes you'll paint something simple and quick and you think, well, it just doesn't look finished. Sometimes what it needs is something alive in the picture. Now, where I am here, there are some sandhill cranes. So I'm going to try to show you how to paint the sandhill cranes with basically a single series of strokes to do it all on one go. So I'm going to go over here to my palette and pick up some of this burnt sienna, and I'm just loading up the brush. I'm using a medium to large size stenciling brush. It's a round brush, and I've just got paint on the tip here so that we can try to get a lot of painting all in one go. And I'm just going to mix a little bit of burnt sienna so that I have two kinds of browns in here. Alright, so to paint this crane, let me look at him. Okay, to paint this crane, we're just going to start with the point of the brush as the beak, and then press a little to make a head, and then continue on to make his wiggly neck, and then press and maybe twist a little to get that body. I don't mind these little dry bits at the back. They look like feathers to me. And then I need to connect his body to the ground, so I'm just going to bend his legs. They bend backwards. Oh, it's kind of dry. I'm going to re-wet my brush. They bend backwards and then forwards, and they're in the water, so I'm just going to let them disappear. This one maybe bend a little bit differently. There. Now I have a crane in my picture to kind of finish it off. Do another crane, perhaps the second one will be in a different position. Maybe he's looking up. I'll give him a head, some neck, and some body. Don't like the